Aloha, this is part 2 to my DIY trailer dolly motorized. I have some modifications that I made. Number 1, I installed the remote control. I installed the battery. I decided to install the battery on the handle itself with aluminum and some finger nuts. I added some bracing for the trailer hitch. This thing's getting heavy because of all the steel that I'm using, so I decided to put a couple of external wheels on it so that when I'm moving the handle by itself, it will be much easier to move. I'm using quick connectors. I have a dedicated battery, but if you just wanted to use your jump box, you could mount something like this, which is at Lowe's, and you can hang your jump box from the handle, and this will work as well. Anyway, those are my modifications to the handle. As far as the motor is concerned, I got my first sprocket, but I have to wait to mount it until the drive sprocket comes in. What I did was, it had this on the other side of this cable spool, so I cut that off, and that's 1 1/4. So I'm waiting for the 1 1/4 inch bore with 24 teeth, with 24 as the drive and 18 as the remote part. That'll give me about 30% more power. If the smaller gear was here and the bigger gear was here, it would give me more torque, but I don't need that. This is a 2,000 pound hoist. I'm only moving an 800 pound jet ski. Anyway, that's the update. If you intend on building one, I thought you should know.